everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to take a look at the WaterField Designs, sfbags.com, Air Porter and Air Caddy on the front of this Ballistic bag with leather flap. This is a storage area. Two very strong magnets. You can hear them clicking into place, which is nice. You have a zipper here and then a large pocket in front, so it goes all the way down to the base. And down here is also leather as well. You can order this in many different colors. I like that these zippers stay flat against the zipper line, so less chance of it catching on something. They flip out for use and then they slap to the side. And then this is a very large pocket here. So you can put like papers in here. Maybe you could put like a passport in here, but this is quick access with strong magnets. And then you have a handle here, and then you have a nice zipper line cover, so to protect against spills. We like that a lot. So we'll go in through the front, and then inside you have three mesh pockets on the top that are smaller. Then you have two side pockets that are the same size, and then one larger center pocket. This comes with an arm cover strap that's also padded. And then inside, we ordered this with the Air Caddy. So this is the Air Porter and this is the Air Caddy, again with the same type of zipper. So on the front, you have a large pocket and then you have two mesh, and these are elastic pockets right here. And then this order opens halfway, so not everything falls out. We like that this is a padded pocket for a smaller tablet. This is a larger open area, and you have two larger pockets and then a smaller pocket for like a pen or something long right there you can put there. So this is the Air Caddy. Same type of zipper technology. It folds flat against the zipper line, so less catching right there. And then this is a larger cavity total, so you can fit maybe a set of clothes in here, or if you have over-the-ear headphones, you can put the carry case in there. This is a key catch, so it's got a little hook right there. Then you have two larger pockets. They don't go all the way down, but that's okay. And then on the back, another spill-resistant zipper line top. Okay, so then we have the laptop area, and this is padded. You can store up to 15-inch MacBook Pro here, so this makes it secure in place. And then they have a little notch right here and right here, so you can charge the laptop, or you can have a cable plugged into a phone, whatever you need while it's still in the bag. We like the notch. And then you have two large size pockets that is almost the entire length of the bag. And what we like about this most of all is that it's thin enough with your laptop to fit underneath a seat while standing up. So then you can put your legs and your feet here rather than having it flat and taking up a bunch of extra space. So this is the Air Porter and this is the Air Caddy from WaterField Designs, sfbags.com. We want to thank them for sending this to us for review and checking out. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and thumbs up. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.